Hey everyone, welcome to our very first video on computer languages. If you have ever wondered how we talk to computers or how applications and games are created, then you are in the right place. In this video, I have tried to make it simple, short and beginner friendly, and also I have added a few quizzes for your practice at the end. So now let's start. So, what is a computer language? A computer language is simply a way for us humans to give instructions to a computer. Since computers don't understand human languages like English, we need to speak in a format they can process and execute. Types of computer languages. Let's look at the three main types of computer languages. First, machine language. This is the most basic form. It's made up of zeros and ones and is directly understood by computers. But it's super hard for us to read and write. Next is assembly language. This one uses short words called mnemonics like move and are. It's still low level but a bit easier than binary. And finally, high level languages. These are what most developers use today. They are much easier to write and understand. Examples: C++, Java, Python, JavaScript, etc. Now the question is, who should learn computer languages? Honestly, almost everyone. Whether you are a student, a professional in tech, someone thinking about switching careers, or a business owner, or a teacher, or just a curious learner. Learning to code is incredibly valuable. Now the question is, what other areas to focus on while you start coding? So, while you starting into code, build your foundation. Like work on logical thinking and basic maths, understanding how computers work, learning how the internet and websites function, getting comfortable with tools like code editors, and most importantly, practice. Even small projects can make a big difference. Now, how to start coding? Start with Python. It's easy, readable, and beginner friendly. Use free websites like CodeSafe, one compiler or program is for practice, and even 15 minutes practice for a day can go a long way. And try to build simple things like a calculator or a to do list. Key concepts you will learn in coding. As you start coding, you will learn about variables, where you store data types like numbers, text, etc., operators used for math and logic, functions, reusable blocks of code, etc. Now, let's wrap up. Computer languages help us to communicate with computers. Start coding with high level languages like Python. Learn the basics and build small projects. And most importantly, practice consistently to improve. I'll make more detailed and crisp videos like this on areas we have discussed today. Drop your questions in the comment box. Subscribe where Tech is learning for more beginner friendly tech lessons. And don't forget to hit the like button and share this with your friends. Thanks for learning with me. Now, quiz time. Watch till the end to practice the questions and try without seeing the answers.